Hello student. Today we continue our second chapter, nutrition in animal. In my previous video we have already discussed about the animal nutrition. Then components of food. That food consists of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, starch. Then we read that digestion. What is digestion? The breakdown of complex compound of food into simpler substances called digestion. Then we read today digestion in humans. So this is our topic. Today topic digestion in human. Student, we take food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. But the unused part of the food are defecated. So the food passes through a continuous canal which begin at the buccal cavity and end at the anus. So this continuous canal is known as alimentary canal. Okay. This alimentary canal begin at the buccal cavity and end at the anus. Here you see the pathway of digestion in alimentary canal. This pathway all the students learn. Okay. This pathway started from mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. In these pictures you see that the food, we take food from mouth, then it moved in esophagus. Esophagus is also known food pipe. Then it move into stomach. Here you see stomach. Then it move into small intestine. Then it move into large intestine. Then rectum and anus. Okay. So what is the complete pathway of digestion in alimentary canal? Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So various glands like the salivary glands, liver and pancreas are associated with the digestive system and secrete digestive juice. Student, in this figure you see that this salivary glands, liver and pancreas, these are the gland and these glands secreted digestive juice. Salivary gland, liver. Actually liver is the biggest gland in our body. Okay. Which secreted the bile juice. So and the next one is pancreas. So salivary gland, liver and pancreas secreted the digestive juice. And the digestive juice convert complex substance of food into simple one. The digestive tract and associated gland together constitute the digestive system. Here you see this pathway including with these glands called digestive system. Okay. So student, now we start from mouth. The mouth and buccal cavity. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Always remember that what is ingestion. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Actually in digestive system, in digestion there is 5 process. Ingestion, then digestion, then digested food is absorbed. So absorption, then assimilation and the last one is excretion. That means the unused part is defecated from our body. So first part is ingestion. Actually first process is ingestion. The process by taking food into the body. Firstly you take food, then it digests. So the first step is what? Ingestion. And what is ingestion? Taking food into the body is called ingestion. We chew the food with teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. So here you see that how many type of teeth? There is 4 type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Here you see these 4, the front 4 teeth are incisor. Okay, these are incisor. And what is the work of incisor? Cutting and biting. The next 2 is canine. Then the next 2 is both side is premolar, chewing and grinding the food. And the last three teeth from both side is molar. So the work of molar also chewing and grinding. Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. What is the work of incisor? Cutting and biting. Okay, and canine, pressing and tearing the food, and premolar, chewing and grinding, and molar also chewing and grinding. So you have to learn the name of these 4 type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Next, activity 2.2. Student, we did this activity in my next video. This is all for today. Thank you.